Welcome to Dermat Vet. Dear friends, you must have seen I have started today's session with a very beautiful morning natural view which I had myself clicked today morning when I was cycling in the midst of nature. And here also I am with the nature. As you all know, I love nature. My dear friends, with all your wishes, I am much better now. There was an eye surgery, therefore I am putting my goggles today. So the eye is much better. There was a cyst which I got it operated 2 days before, and I am perfectly fine now. So dear friends, as you know that today's topic is on Malassezia dermatitis. Now you will see the lesions of the dog which is suffering from Malassezia dermatitis. This dog, his name is Joy, and he is 30 kg male Labrador. Earlier he was on complete home food like dal, chapati, milk, etc. But now after consulting a local vet, Joy is now on a restricted diet. Yes, he is on hypoallergenic food since last 4 to 5 days, and no other food is given other than hypoallergenic diet. And after that his itching has been reduced. He was given bath once in 10 to 15 days with Petex shampoo, and yes, it has chlorhexidine gluconate and mycosonol nitrate. In spite of that, the lesions are not going. Earlier from the prescription it is seen he was given 20 days course of ketoconazole, but with no effect. His itching may have reduced, but lesions, focal alopecia, redness is still as it is. Then what to do? This is a question in front of the owner, and here comes Dermat Vet in action. Yes, dear friends, first and foremost, shave off the hairs of Joy. Please take an appointment of the groomer, go to him, get the haircut done, so the infected, dull, dead hairs will go off and the medicine will start working on him. Next, spot on treatment. Put on selamectin on the neck area and again repeat selamectin spot on after 10 days. Drontal Plus deworming is required, 3 tablets of Drontal Plus because Joy is 30 kgs. Now continue hypoallergenic food for next 3 months. No other food in between, no treats, no chews. This is very important because food allergy is very important in this. Controlling Malassezia with allergies and food, this goes hand in hand. So change this. Dear friends, now what to apply on the lesions? No safe skin lotion, no kiss skin lotion. This is not going to work. Just use Dermichlor spray, Vetachlor spray, Chlorex spray twice a day for 10 to 15 days. This is going to work a lot. No lotion. application. Do not let Joy go into the bathroom or sit on the moisture area because he is suffering from malassezia dermatitis. What is the treatment protocol now? Cyclosporin at 5 milligram per kg per day for 4 weeks, and then it has to be tapered. Cyclosporin 5 milligram per kg per day, understood. Then what do you want again? Short acting oral glucocorticoids. What are they? Prednisolone. What is the dose? You know it, 0.5 milligram per kg once to twice daily until the desired effect is seen, but not exceeding 2 weeks. Most important now, nutritional support for enhancing the immunity. Best nutritional support is Via Q10 Plus. Via Q10 Plus 10 ml morning, 10 ml evening for 30 days, or NutriCoat Advance. Sometimes Via Q10 Plus is not available in India. Now it is out of stock presently due to the pandemic. So it is not available on Amazon, but later on you can get it. If you are not getting it, you can shift to NutriCoat Advance 10 ml morning, 10 ml evening, or Top 10 2 tablets morning, 2 tablets evening, and Biotin 2 tablets morning and 2 tablets evening. Now the owners were giving only Pet Hex shampoo, but I will suggest you start with Pet Ben shampoo, which has got benzoyl peroxide in it. Wash the dog with benzoyl peroxide, the Pet Ben shampoo, for 10 minutes, wait for 10 minutes, and then use Pet Hex shampoo, which has got mecoxanol nitrate and chlorhexidine gluconate. Wait again for 10 minutes, and then instead of giving bath once in 15 days, give bath twice a week. This is going to be a game changer for Joy. So my dear friends, this is all about Joy. Consider subscribing if you found this video informative and interesting, and please don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon to get more new videos from Dermat Vet.